Are you looking for the best backpacking stoves? In this video we will look at some of the best backpacking stoves. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MSR PocketRocket Deluxe Camping and Backpacking Stove. The most recent iteration of MSR's revolutionary PocketRocket, the PocketRocket Deluxe, is widely considered the best backpacking stove on the market today. It builds on the classic PocketRocket design, a trio of pot supports centered around a burner head that screws directly into a fuel canister, complemented by a simmer-savvy fuel control that backpacking chefs swear by. Our top backpacking stove earns its deluxe moniker thanks to a few noteworthy additions to the classic PocketRocket recipe. First off, the Deluxe features a pressure regulator that boosts boiling times, a major boon when you're running low on fuel or cooking in cold temperatures. It also has a built-in, push-start piezo ignition, which means you can spark the stove without matches or a lighter. Last but not least, it sports a broader, more prominently lit burner, fortifying the stove against wind and amplifying simmer control. While our gear test team was quick to give this Deluxe version the win, they did offer a word of warning: don't rely solely on the piezo ignition lighter, you should have a lighter as a backup plan, especially in windy conditions. Can be top-heavy when cooking for more than 2 people. Push button can fail. Ultralight, 2.9 ounces, backpacking stove with built-in push-start lighting and a pressure regulator for great performance across a range of temperatures. Pressure-regulated stove boils 1 liter of water in 3.5 minutes even in colder weather and with low fuel. Broad burner improves wind resistance and offers simmering capabilities. Fueled by high-performance isobutane propane fuel canister, not included, self-sealing threaded canister fuel is available in most countries. Fast, reliable piezo push-start lighting, spark igniter is protected inside burner for maximum durability. Weighs just 2.9 ounces and folds to an ultra-packable size in its included stuff sack, manufacturer's 3-year limited warranty. Number 2. MSR PocketRocket 2 Camping and Backpacking Stove. A slimmed-down, minimalistic version of MSR's award winner, the PocketRocket 2 is our top pick for campers looking for a compact and lightweight yet reliable backpacking stove. Now, while the feature-rich Deluxe is bigger and outweighs the PocketRocket 2, it's not by a super significant margin. The PocketRocket 2 is less than half an ounce lighter, the weight of 10 paper clips. It's also just a hair smaller, 1.3 by 1.7 by 3.1 inches compared to the Deluxe's 1.5 by 2.2 by 3.3 inches. These weight and volume savings are mainly due to the lack of a pressure regulator, as well as a slimmer burner element. That said, the result is stable, reliable, easy to use and durable, as it has fewer breakable parts. The PocketRocket 2 doesn't just speak to the ounce counters, it's also attractive to the penny pinchers. While it isn't the cheapest stove in this guide, it's certainly on the more affordable side. If you're looking for bang for your buck, or, rather, boil for your buck, the PocketRocket 2 is a smart way to go. With no pressure regulator, the PocketRocket 2 isn't quite as high-performing as the Deluxe, particularly in cold weather, and boasts a slightly slower boil time. But if you'd rather carry less weight, save a few bucks and don't mind waiting a few more seconds for your beef stroganoff to boil, you can't go wrong with the PocketRocket 2. No push-button start. Slightly slower to boil than the Deluxe. No pressure regulator. Ultralight, 2.6 ounces, and compact, 2x2x3 and folding canister stove for minimalist adventures, backpacking, hiking, trekking, camping, and global travel. Boils 1 liter of water in just 3.5 minutes and flame easily adjusts from a simmer to a rolling boil for gourmet cooking in the outdoors. Fueled by high-performance isobutane propane fuel canister, not included, self-sealing threaded canister fuel is available in most countries. Easy to set up and operate, no priming, preheating, or pressurizing is required. Serrated pot supports accommodate a wide range of pot sizes and styles. Lightweight protective case included, stove weighs 2.6 ounces, 4.2 ounces with case, measures 4.8 by 4.8 by 3.6 inches open, collapses to 2 by 2 by 3 inches. Number 3. Jetboil MiniMo Cooking System. Integrated canister stoves incorporate a pot that screws into a heating element, which in turn attaches to the fuel canister. Essentially, it's an all-in-one system that negates the need for carrying additional pots and pans. The best ones, like Jetboil's 1-liter MiniMo, are compact, fuel-efficient and ideal for boiling water for dehydrated meals and other simple dishes, like ramen and mac and cheese. The MiniMo has a push-button ignition, although we always recommend backup matches or a lighter, which makes it easy to get dinner started quickly. The stove also features Jetboil's flux ring technology along the junction of stove and pot, which improves fuel efficiency and enables more simmer prowess than one might expect of an integrated canister stove that's basically bred to boil. While there are taller and skinnier one-person integrated canister stoves out there, like the And, we like the MiniMo because it's shorter and squatter, which has two added benefits. First, it makes it more stable and harder to tip over. Nothing ruins an evening like spilling your dinner in the dirt. Second, we find it easier to store. It's especially nifty that the shorter, wider pot accommodates an 8-ounce fuel canister. Last but not least, it's obvious that the weight and price of the MiniMo are on the higher side of stoves in this guide. However, keep in mind that this includes the pot and stove. For the lighter stoves in this guide, you'll still have to purchase and carry a pot, which will increase both price and weight. Not ideal for anything except boiling. Material: burner, stainless steel, handles, metal, cup, anodized aluminum, cup cozy, neoprene. Fuel type: canister, butane. Boil time: 16 ounces, 2 minutes 15 seconds. Burn time: 100 ounces, max flame, 60 minutes. Heat output: 6000 BTU. Number 4. MSR Windburner Duo Stove System. Cooking for two can be a pain in the butt on a 1-liter integrated canister stove. Enter the Windburner Duo, a 1.8-liter behemoth of a boiler. The system combines MSR's wind-resistant radiant heat transfer technology with a pressure-regulated burner, resulting in quick, pain-free boiling. The large pot is crafted from a hard anodized aluminum that's exceptionally durable and insulated with a grip-equipped cozy for easy handling. Best of all? The stove is compatible with the rest of MSR's Windburner cookware, enabling you to continue expanding your backpacking kitchen game down the line. Pro tip: tired of dehydrated meals? Get your backpacking Iron Chef on with MSR's Windburner Combo Stove System. It's built with the same windproof technology but features both a 2.5-liter pot and 8-inch skillet. On the bulky side for backpacking. Overkill for solo use. Ultra-efficient windproof radiant burner and pressure regulator maintain stove performance in windy and cold conditions, providing faster boil times and more fuel efficiency than conventional stoves. System nests all components in the fast-boil 1.8-liter pot, including an 8-ounce ISO Pro fuel canister, sold separately. Stove is optimized for all Windburner cookware and a range of cooking styles. Anti-topple stove features a remote canister design and self-centering pot. Modular stove system includes Windburner stove, 1.8-liter hard anodized aluminum pot with BPA-free drinking/straining lid and 0.85-liter bowl. Made in the USA. Minimum weight: 1 pound 5 ounces, 0.60 kilograms. Size: 5 in WX5 and LX8 in H, 12.5 centimeters x 12.5 centimeters x 20.5 centimeters. Number 5. MSR PocketRocket Deluxe Stove Kit. If you're looking for a backpacking stove and a cook set combo, why not go with our favorite overall stove, the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe? In addition to the stove itself, the nifty Trail Mini Duo Kit includes a 1.2-liter anodized aluminum pot, pot grip, and a heat-safe transparent bowl with a sturdy, well-made lid that doubles as a strainer. Best of all, the kit nests together, making it easy and efficient to pack. Pro tip: looking for an ultralight kit? Build your own with MSR's Titan line of titanium cookware. You may prefer a lighter pot. Lightweight camping stove kit includes the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe Stove and Mini Duo Cook set with camping pot, strainer lid, BPA-free bowl, pot handle, and stuff sack. Pressure-regulated stove boils 1 liter of water in 3.5 minutes even in colder weather and with low fuel. Broad burner improves wind resistance and offers simmering capabilities. Kit nests together with room to fit an optional MSR fuel canister inside pot. Fuel canisters sold separately. Cook set has the capacity to serve 2. Whole stove kit weighs just 13.1 ounces for ultralight backpacking and minimalist adventures, measures 5 by 5.25 packed. Includes PocketRocket Deluxe Stove, 1.2-liter hard anodized aluminum pot, strainer lid, BPA-free bowl, ultralight pot handle, and a full kit stuff sack.